Hey there, welcome back to my channel. We all know that calisthenics is a fantastic way to build strength, flexibility, and overall fitness. But what if I told you that there might be some key factors holding you back from reaching your full potential? In this video, I'm going to reveal the top reasons why calisthenics hasn't worked for you and what you can do about it. So stick around, because this information could be a game changer for your fitness journey. One of the main reasons why calisthenics may not have worked for you is the lack of proper progression. You see, calisthenics is all about mastering the basics and gradually progressing to more advanced movements. Skipping this crucial step can lead to frustration and even injury. So if you've been trying to perform those impressive advanced exercises without mastering the fundamentals first, it's time to take a step back and focus on the basics. Consistency is key in any fitness journey, and calisthenics is no exception. If you've been sporadic with your workouts or expecting overnight results, it's no wonder calisthenics hasn't delivered the desired outcome. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a strong, sculpted physique. So my friend, it's time to commit to a consistent calisthenics routine and be patient with the process. Trust me, the results will come. To see real progress in calisthenics, you need to fuel your body with the right nutrients and give it the necessary recovery time. Are you eating a balanced diet that supports your workouts? Are you getting enough rest and sleep? Neglecting these crucial aspects of fitness can hinder your progress significantly. So, in addition to honing your exercise skills, make sure to prioritize nutrition and recovery for optimal results. Calisthenics offers a wide array of exercise variations that target different muscle groups and challenge your body in unique ways. If you've been stuck in a repetitive routine without mixing things up, it's time to break the cycle. Incorporate new movements, try different training techniques, and challenge yourself regularly to keep the progress going. Remember, your body adapts to routine, so keep it guessing. Like and subscribe for more health and fitness content.